Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make green chili pickle in vinegar. This easy method ensures a delicious and tangy result that you can enjoy for weeks. We'll start by preparing our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is clean and ready for the pickling process. This simple recipe requires minimal cooking and is perfect for beginners, yielding approximately 1 jar of flavorful pickle. First, carefully wash about 250 grams of green chilies and ensure they are completely dry to prevent spoilage. Next, remove the stems from each chili. Then, make a single lengthwise slit in each chili, leaving the ends intact. This preparation step is crucial for the chilies to absorb the pickling liquid and flavors properly, ensuring a well-infused pickle. Now, let's prepare our aromatic spice blend. Lightly roast 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds in a dry pan for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Grind them into a coarse powder. In a bowl, mix the ground mustard seeds with 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This vibrant spice mixture will infuse the chilies with a delightful tang and a beautiful golden hue. Finally, it's time to combine everything. Carefully place the prepared green chilies into a sterilized glass jar. Pour 125 milliliters of white vinegar over the chilies, ensuring they are mostly submerged. Add the entire spice mixture to the jar, then seal it tightly. Allow the pickle to marinate for at least 2 days in a cool, dark place before enjoying its zesty flavor. It will keep well for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.